Hey everyone, I'm Tamara. This is my very first YouTube video, and I wasn't planning on doing one today, but I just got back from my cousin's funeral, and I actually want to dedicate this video to my cousin Karen, who died of ALS. My cousin Karen was a ball buster, and she grabbed life by the horns, and I thought no better time like the present to start my first YouTube video. So this is for Karen. And yeah, so let's get into it. My first video is going to be a first impression video. Thought that was a little fitting. What we're going to be reviewing today is the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. So I've never used it before. Label's still on. This color is Champagne Glam, and let's try it out. I love e.l.f. by the way. I'm wearing their eyeshadow. I love their eyeshadow. Their bite-sized palettes are amazing. All right, so I don't think I have anything on my lips. Okay, so I don't know what it's supposed to do, but it says lip plumping, so wish me luck. Okay, so the wand is kind of cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and not really sure about this lip plumping action thing. I don't know. Do my lips look bigger? Color wise, digging it. Smooth, so it's very silky. Oh, I'm definitely feeling a little bit of a tingle. Wow, there is some tingling going on. That is so wild. Okay. Well, this tingling thing's a little weird, but I'm digging it, and I'm digging the gloss, and I'm digging the color. I am going to give this one a thumbs up because it is very cool, and it's not expensive. I was gonna say it was like $6. And yeah, e.l.f. for yet another win.